Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, God is a Genius. The song is God is a Genius, the artist is Kevin Ross, and the choreography is Rhondi, Hackett, Wendy, McKinney, and Donna, McNeil. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it right here at the end of this video. And let's go. And there you go. God is a genius. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.